Hi, good day. To my future employer, I am Russell Bildad. I am single and I am 33 years of age. I live in Toulouse-Ablis, Cabadbaran City, Philippines. I am working as a domestic helper since 2017 to 2025. It's been 8 years of working here in Kuwait at same employer. My main job is cook, ironing, washing cars, and take care of her two children since they are baby. And now their age is now their age is 4 years old and 5 years old. Name is Fahad and Ahmed. I am a very playful nanny. I always do their I always help them to do drawing, playing with them with numbers and coloring, and we also do to play at the park every afternoon. And I am a funny person. I like singing and dancing. I always make sure that my is job is done very well. And I really like children also. And I am currently working as a maid. I work alone in the house, and I'm hoping that after I finish my contract here in Kuwait, I am hoping to go and work and work in Hong Kong. And I'm trying my best to go in Hong Kong, and so help me God, I can also have a good employer. And I'm willing to be your housemaid and be part of your family. Thank you and God bless. See you soon.